Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2021 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler with 1,905 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a Screaming Eagle tuner, custom Dynamics LED headlight, factory 47 14-inch handlebars, Screaming Eagle Stage 1 intake, Screaming Eagle exhaust, an aftermarket windshield, engine guard, highway pegs, custom graphics, and an aftermarket inspection plate. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, keyless ignition, and reverse. The Freewheeler offers a hot rod attitude on the stability of 3 wheels, giving riders comfort and power. Powered by a 114 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Freewheeler puts 122 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 1,084 pounds and has a 26.2 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.